and boating tomorrow. That will be the better day because things go downhill on Sunday as we pick up the wind. We pick up the swell some too on Sunday afternoon. So the boat and beach forecast for Saturday looks a lot better, a little bit cooler on Sunday. If you want to check out the surf forecast, WPTV.com/surfing. I just updated it. Does look like some swell in our forecast. Mid-70s for highs, a little bit cooler than average. 50s for Sunday night, Monday morning. As we get into Thanksgiving Day, we get back into the 80s and just add a slight chance for an isolated shower in there.